Tonight I'm back to the digital concert listing, and the song that I am doing tonight is Durdaraz, and I know I've mispronounced that. Somebody can give me the phonetic pronunciation. This is a traditional Kazakh folk song, and Dimash first performed it back in 2019 at his Arnau concert in Kazakhstan. And the word, a Kazakh word, it doesn't have a direct English translation, but it signifies sort of a state of tension, disagreement, or quarrel. And in Dimash's song interpretation of it, it's of a couple experiencing a conflict or heated exchange, although it's got some energy and playful nature to it. So it's not purely a negative type of disagreement. In fact, the word itself, though suggesting conflict, is often used to describe kind of a playful, lighthearted banter back and forth between a couple. And so that's a lot of what we'll be seeing in this song. Another thing that I had discovered while researching the song, although it's not directly related to it, but this song was also the first song that Dimash performed after being given the title, and it's an honorary title in Kazakhstan, of the People's Artist. This particular title had been abolished back in at least before the year 2000. It was no longer given out to any artist. But since it was brought back, there's been 8 different artists from different genres that have been given it. But kind of Dimash kind of stands out above it, mainly because of his ability to glorify Kazakhstan beyond the borders of Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan, for a long time, was it was one of these little satellites of the Soviet Union, and then of Russia, and they became an independent state about 32, 33, 34 years ago. But because of this history, the people of Kazakhstan had what they called a secondary syndrome. They thought that the best things were things from other countries. Countries that had great powers were the ones that had the best. And while they had their local, that they felt that these things were only appreciated locally and were only of regional importance. But then suddenly we've got Dimash, who becomes this international sensation. And along with that, he is constantly talking about the customs and the music and the traditional instruments and so forth of Kazakhstan, and inviting people to come to Kazakhstan. And he has increased the tourism there. And so that they're finally seeing that, maybe we are not, second on that. So I found that interesting to see. But enough of me chattering away here. I'm sure you all just want to listen to the song. So let's go ahead and play it.
Sarmazan yazgı düzgün gündemim diyor vay. Hürriyey, hürriyey, bes kalan hürriyey. Durdaraz, durdaraz, öldü tatlı verdaraz. Kendini çaldaraz, kendisini basaraz. Üzerine gelmesin dip sol kız binin bestaraz, bestaraz. Artıksız olursa bana olganaydayım. Örgüm çok sulu kız üstümdeyim vay. Varmadan karakan kızım şazımandayım. Olsan şaz sügün cadden olsundayım vay. Hürriyey, hürriyey, bes tamam hürriyey. Durdaraz, durdaraz, önce tahu verdaraz. Kendinin çaldaraz, kendisinde pastaraz. Üzerine gelmesindir sol kısmının bestaraz, bestaraz. Hürriyey, hürriyey, bes tamam hürriyey. Durdaraz, durdaraz, önce tahu verdaraz. Kendinin çaldaraz, kendisinde basaraz. Üzerine gelmesindir sol kız binin bestaraz, bestaraz. Üzerine gelmesindir sol kız binin bestaraz, bestaraz.
Okay, so there we have it. And with that, I'm going to close out tonight and wishing you all health, wealth, but above all, I'm going to wish you peace.